Do you want to watch shows on Hulu without paying right away? Yeah, you can still get a free trial, and it only takes a couple of minutes. First, open your browser and go to Hulu's official website. Log in your account, then scroll down a little bit until you see Start Your Free Trial. Hulu usually offers a free trial for new users, depending on the plan. Click on Start Your Free Trial and it should lead you to the billing page. As you can see here, you will gain access to Hulu Plus Live TV, Disney Plus, and ESPN Select. You will also see that your total due today is $0. However, when you click Show, next to upcoming charges, you will see that you will have to pay 3 days later, which means this free trial is only a 3-day trial. After that, choose your preferred mode of payment, whether it's credit card or PayPal. Fill in the information, then click Agree and Subscribe. And don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. Once that's done, you'll get instant access to Hulu's content. You can start watching right away. Quick tip: set a reminder a day or two before the trial expires so you don't get billed. And that's it. You now have Hulu free trial access. Enjoy the shows, and that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.